Hello everyone, this is the Crypto Libertarian here doing a live update for something that's been pitched at me about 5 minutes ago. So I've only seen this just yeah, someone from Facebook just pitches at me. And I get this a lot. Don't get me wrong. I get this a lot. So let's do a live review. First of all, I am not financially tied with this company. I'm not trying to sell this to you, not trying to pitch this at you. This is purely a review. Is this financial advice? Well, you're going to find out, and let's jump right in. So, they claim that they are the most secure crypto investment. Oh, excuse me. And I don't know who this guy is. So, I'm assuming that this is one of their staff for now. Keyword assume. So I clicked on about me or about us. So this is loading, but I don't see any staff. Who's in it? So that's a huge red flag. I did search, Google search this picture. It's a stock image. So they're just using stock image of a guy. They just put it in here. Yes, you can just right click, Google search the picture, and that's it. So that's a little bit of an iffy right here. I don't like that at all. When they're not very transparent on who they are, what they do, who are the staff, and who is this guy. Now, I did a couple quick search and quick look. So one thing that jumped out to me, let's just say their standard plan, claiming that you can make 2.4% return profit in 4 days. Why 4 days? And what? 21% in 7 days? Yeah, that's not even possible. No one in the right mind would do that. If I can, for example, make 7%, sorry, not 7, 21% every week with $1,000. And if I contrast this, let's see how impossible this is in 1 year, okay? In 1 year. Let's just say I'm going to put $1,000 in there. I am going to compound this. What is it again? 21.7%. That's a strange number. So 21.7%. I'm just going to put it in for 1 year. How impossible crazy it is. And I'll just say I'm going to compound every week. That's it. $1,000 turn into $27 million. If I can make this kind of money, why do I need your money? Why do I need to ask you for money? You got to think about that. If I can trade consistently, make 21.7%, I'm not asking for anyone to put money in there. I'm using my own money. I'll just put $1,000. Yeah, even take a credit card loan, pay back the credit card, and I'll still make record profit. Better than paying off someone else off the street. 21.7%. That's not even close to sustainable. This is stupid. This is absolutely stupid and retarded. I'm gonna keep going. So this is the company house certification. Q1866485, and I did do a search on them right here. But this company is dissolved, and remember, same company registration number. So even the registration for business in UK is fake. Keyword, it is fake. What else are they lying to you about? So all they're saying is that, hey, I can make 21% for you every week. You just have to trust us, even though we are not very forthcoming on who we are. And it's just pitched to you by some people from Facebook. And they just put a whole bunch of banks logo in here. That absolutely means nothing. And you also don't see financial regulator registration in here in the bottom. And the financial regulator registration that they should be showing from the UK is FCA. That's the Financial Conduct Authority. By law, they have to have that right in the footnote, and they don't have that anywhere. So Final verdict here. I will say stay the heck away from this. This is a scam and pitched by, of course, a fake account. Right away, you can see it's a fake account. Why? Hello, dear. See that? He's hello, dear. How? I asked you. So you're pitching. How? They don't understand what the word pitching means. This is called pitching, right? And they don't know how to use the word how, the question mark, how, and use a lot of dear. I suspect that this is a Nigerian. It's a Nigerian scam. And to further prove the point, this is only created this month. It's August 29th today in North America and updated 3 days ago. 3 days ago, created on the 7th of August. So everything else in here tells you that it is a scam. So I'm just showing you all the tools on how to do analysis of a financial service or a platform like this. So you don't fall into a scam like one of these right here. One more time, this is a scam. Don't do it. Stay the hell away from this. Okay, talk to you guys later. Ciao for